This is my MK1 MX5 I've been restoring. I bought it in November and I've done quite a lot of work to it to get to the state it is now. I've done all the welding on the underside, on the inner sills, gave it a bit of a under seal. I've done refurb the alloys, new disc and pads and calipers. It's quite a tidy MX5 really. The arches are all really solid. Down the front below the wing, that's solid as well. It's one of the later ones. It's an IS 1.8 and it goes really well. I've had it on the road for the past month. I've really been enjoying it. I'll overlay the photos of when I first got it, sat in the field. I think the only modifications I probably would do to it is add a roll bar in the back. I'm still looking for which one I want to go for really. I want something to look a bit original, not too many bars in it sort of thing. The interior's in really good condition as well. Slight tear on the bolster of the driver's seat. I may sell it in the peak of the summer because I've got my 3T3i E36 Beamer that I like to drive around in. Yeah, I can see what the hype's all about with these cars because they just handle amazing. Plenty of power in the 1.8 and yeah, really good cars. So I'll see you in the next one.